closer to the moon than they are to Earth. They have not entered what is known as the lunar sphere of influence yet. That milestone will come on flight day 5. And when that milestone happens, that is when the moon, instead of the Earth, becomes the main gravitational force acting on the Orion spacecraft.
Yeah, Jackie, we just wanted to sync up with you. We know that there was some talk about some burnt smell from the heaters. Okay, Jackie, so this time we turned on the WHC on the toilet and it had that burning odor smell that we just hadn't experienced before. And so we just wanted to talk to you about it. We know we had a briefing on that. So the crew has smelt it once or twice before, but this time was stronger and was different. And we opened the door, everybody in the cabin could smell it. So we just thought we'd check in with you. We're not overly concerned right now. It's probably related to what we're told to expect, but we just wanted to have a quick conversation.
Integrity Houston on Orion to Earth 1 for the toilet. We've discussed, based on the pre-flight reports and the AGA readings, we're going to continue discussing on the ground, but we are comfortable continuing with the emergency comm DFTO, and we are comfortable with you continuing to use the toilet.
On board the Orion spacecraft, the crew is currently awake. They are wrapping up some final activities for the day. NASA astronaut Christina Cook is currently working through a Deep Space Network Emergency Communications Developmental Flight Test Objective. Victor is also working on a test objective related to the D5 camera imaging and taking some images at varying focal lengths of subjects such as the Earth and the Moon to evaluate the window optical effects on imagery. And then NASA astronaut Reed Wiseman is working to transfer some data from the flywheel, which is the exercise device on board the Orion spacecraft. And then coming up here in a little bit, CSA, or Canadian Space Agency astronaut Jeremy Hansen, will support a public affairs downlink event for the Canadian Space Agency.
And Integrity, this is the Canadian Space Agency. Do you hear me?
We hear you loud and clear. We're a long ways away. There's probably a bit of a delay, but great to chat with you. I got a few people joining me today. I got Victor and Reed here. Christina's working hard right behind the camera right now.
Hello, Jeremy. It's Lisa.
And so on behalf of Canada, I just want to say thank you to my colleagues for this opportunity. And I would like to remind Canadians, if we can send a human around the moon in 2026, just imagine what we're capable of doing next. Thanks so much for joining us on board Integrity. It's a great ship here, and we're closer to the moon today than we are to Earth. This is a big milestone for us, and we look forward to sharing more with you in the coming days. Wishing you all the best. Au revoir.
Thank you all. Bye-bye.